Hello everyone, this is Krish. Have you been hearing a lot about generative AI everywhere and wondering how your business can benefit from it? You might want to stay with me for the next couple of minutes and see what I have to show. By the end of this video, you will know how to build a chatbot that can assist you with your business. A bot which will help answer those frequently asked questions by your customers, thus helping you increase your and your team's efficiency and increasing customer satisfaction. First, go to the link mentioned in the description of this video and sign up for chatbot.com. After you sign it, go ahead and add a chatbot. Select the option that says website. This will basically let the AI learn from the content on your website. Remember, your website needs to have sufficient information for the AI to learn from. It states here only authorized website URL should be provided. Thanks to MacHelp Nashville for granting permission for this demo. Next, the AI will show you the pages on the website that it can learn from. If there is a particular page that you do not want the AI to learn from, you can toggle the option for that specific page to turn it off. I'm going to leave them all on. Here, you will be shown some information about your business, again based on the information on your website. Change any of this if you feel the need to. Now your chatbot is ready for you to do some validation. Now I'm going to ask the bot a few questions. I'll next ask if MacHelp Nashville provides managed services, and it comes back and says no. If we go to the website to double check, we can see that the answer is correct and our bot is not hallucinating. Now a question about transferring data from an old to a new Mac. Let's check if the answer is correct. If we go back to the website, we can find a review that matches with the information given by the bot. I did a test only using 3 questions, but you want to do much more thorough testing. Once you're done testing, go ahead and head to integrations. Click on the chat widget, create a chat widget, select the story in question, in my case, MacHelp Nashville. Connect the chat widget and change the name of the bot to something you prefer and write a description too. You can change the appearance of your widget, change the greeting, and upload a photo. Go ahead to publish. You can copy the code and put it on your website. After this, you would have added a chatbot on your website. Ready to unleash your AI sidekick? Try Chatbot free today. The link is in the description. As you already saw, setup is easy, no coding required. Saving you time, boosting sales, and wowing customers. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. I'm eager to hear how Chatbot helps your business thrive. Thanks for watching.